Hey guys, and welcome to another little tutorial that we got. I've done some changes, and I'll probably go over them in a little while. But I just mostly wanted to get this other stuff done. I made significant changes to this kit and everything, but you know how it is. But yeah, um, I put a little bit of graphics, nothing fancy or nothing like that. Using Blender like I put in my one tutorial. Now everything should be perfectly fine for movement. You got the running. I've got the running working where it actually increases your speed now, which I'll be posting the code not long from now, and it actually slows down. Now I haven't done any head bobbing or anything like that because I was going to do that in a controller, an animation controller for like pretty much a lot of things, because I do plan on doing this in multiplayer, so a lot of this is going to be very useful in the end. Now, we do still got this little guy right here, and I love just pushing him around and abusing him, you know, shoot him up a little bit. Now, I fixed the shading issue, like which is an alpha blend texture, but anyway, I wanted to get this going with you guys because the reason we're doing this tutorial is to put screenshots in our game. We actually need screenshots. Now I've already done a little bit of the legwork and other things, and I just capture screenshot, and it actually makes it into a folder which you can there and turn by. If you want to access the folder, you just open it and explore. Bam, there you go, and it'll actually put this folder right here. Now I've already messed with it a little bit. Now delete these. Yep, okay. Now it seems pretty dependent on, like, if you have it big like this and then you go, let's say like this, I hit G, you should see a little debug thing, and you know, last play, bam, screenshot. Really? Oh, there it goes. Must take a little bit to kick in, you know, creating file and all that good stuff. Now just to prove that this works, and I'll take me another screenshot. Okay. Should probably clear that debug log. Clear. Doop. Really? No more? Oh, it only happened once? Ah, there it goes. It's kind of a little slow, but I think what it's doing is slowing down the... Why can't I Okay, let's go. Boogie boogie. Alright. And like I said, I've been cleaning up a lot and everything else, but anyway, here is the code for it. You need system.io, well, probably not here because we're referencing it like that, but yeah, we don't need it because I'm writing it out right here. So if I really wanted to, I could probably go like this. Using system.io, and then I could probably just delete this. and it will probably work the same way. I have a funny suspicion it will, but anyway. We adjusted frame rate stuff. Actually, let's just look at the screenshots. These are the screenshots that I actually made. This is a 10,000 by 400? Really? Sweet. Should get plenty of resolution off that one. Whoa! Yeah, that's a crisp picture. That's about as good as the game will get. 10K picture. There you go, guys. Wow, right? And then we go back one. Back another, back another. Yep. It all works. Get you a 10K picture on that one. That's okay. Here we go. This, we do our little frame rate jobby so that I can capture in between frames. Some will actually lerp this like really slow and then capture it that way. It like gets blurriness out and things like that, but I didn't have a problem with it. See, we checked to see if this dictionary, this folder actually exists. So if it actually exists, then we don't do anything. But if it doesn't, we create it on start too. So, and we just do a get key down, which, you know, I just made it a key code right here so that, you know, you can actually just put it any key you want. You can put it, I don't know, right click, back, select, none. I mean, it's versatile for that. And if you wanted to access it through another script, you could always change it because it's public. And then this is public too, but this doesn't have to be. This could be protected if you wanted. And there you go. Bam. Doesn't matter. Because we're not actually doing anything with it. So, besides this, the key code, and we do a string format. That way we can format it to do the folder and everything else. And these are just the options. It's pretty simple. And then, you know, this is the file name, folder, frame count, total number of frames that has passed. There you go. And I just put a debug log so that way we could see it. Now, this is probably why my picture is like 10K, but I don't really care. I got the memory. So, application.capture screenshot. Captures a screenshot at path file as a PNG. Supersize. Okay, yeah, it's definitely supersize. Well, that's pretty much it for that one, and I really honestly don't. Yeah, we can touch base a little bit on the weapon script a little. Yeah, sure, why not? Or, you know, we can see our lovely little user interface stuff. Now, I've got this pretty much done now. A lot when it comes to the player, but we actually need scripts. Scripts. Example, mouse run, manager, player, utility, weapon scripts. Weapon objects way, version 2, this, manager, okay. Manager. Yeah. A lot of private. I just serialize them. We still got this. Shot count, sway. Weapon run replaced the move function that I had. And we do some cool stuff with, you know, shot count, length, yada. It's pretty easy. This is for the dictionary for ammo. We do it on enable, that way we never have to worry about. This is now our replacement for that switch. And weapon behaviors is pretty much doing a lot of the we used to have a switch that would do like a lot of if statements and everything else, and I just didn't like it because all those if statements can be consecutive down to this. Now the sway function I moved into this. So now when we zoom, if I can get this to work the way I want it to, now when we zoom, we have complete control over, see, sway, sway, sway. My weapon moves. I've even put up vector so it swings around a little bit nicer than what it used to. And you know, it was okay. It's pretty good. I like it. Now, as I start sniping, I have absolutely no sway whatsoever. And I have absolutely no kickback. Now, this will be useful because now I can customize the sway and things to something in the animation if I wanted to, or vice versa. Now, I've got the reloading working pretty well. I mean, you know, as you can see, he just starts adding bullets and all that cool stuff. So, yeah. And the save system completely works. I mean, I could go like right here. Bam! Save. Now, there isn't very much into the list. That's why it just seems like it just goes like that, and then, you know, you're done. Now, see? Brings my weapon. Boom, boom. No big deal. Now, do. Okay. Now, 9985. We'll save. I think it's funny that he's still reloading. But did it actually add? Oh, yep, it did. It just isn't updating. And we got 9985, I think. 9981. Ah, that works. But anyway, you know, and all the pickups work. I'm working on a bug because like this one string still is in the dictionary and things for the guns, so it acts a little funny. But yeah, I mean, that's pretty much it. Now I've got other weapons, but you know, there isn't much time on this video, so I'm just going to like wrap it up because I want to go over a little 2D asset that I've been working on. Well, I shouldn't say 2D. I revisited my tower defense tutorial, so I will be putting that up. That will feature a full save system for, you know, like your money and stuff like that, and probably a level selection too. So be on the watch out for that. I'm putting the finishing touches on it, you know, making it a little bit more pleasurable when it comes to views. So, yeah, I would watch out for that. There is a variety of things that will be coming because I'm going to be changing this there's going to be significant upgrades to the UI and things like that. It's going to be crazy. You're going to really want to see this because I am actually going to be changing again the way we handle weapons. I will be fixing some of it where you see this model, it's only going to have one model for all the guns. So I'm going to show you guys how to use the animator to get really good IK. So take care and easy. Like, hit subscribe, and you know, do the YouTube thing. And thanks for whoever donated, you know, anonymously that $1. You know, got me a pop. So thank you much, and be cool and have a nice day.